One Nollywood actress don't cry, oh, auntie cry. Come as I say, some people won't kill her because of the movie where she act. This one really shocked me, even surprised me. I can't even want which kind of film you act where you say people won't kill you. But anyway, this lady, her name now Evan Okoro. Me, I never know her reach. But as I even watch the maybe because of the don't beat her, discover her face, then change her face. Now what make me know her again? She come talk say as she shoots the movie. Now there some people they call them big old group. So that this big old group now they want be in a group, be in a group. Say big old group won't go end her life because of this film. I can't auntie I beg you for even add the more of the film. Oh go watch and know say what really happen for inside this way? We say person won't kill you. But my people beg make now watch where this auntie they cry, they run, say that these people won't kill her. Make now follow me see.
My life is in danger. I am very, very scared right now. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. Right now I'm at the police station. They want me. Some group of boys from Bigo, some group of people from Bigo, they want to end my life for nothing. Look at what they did to me. They asked me to bring down my movie or else they will terminate my life. I need you guys. Where are my Nollywood people? Where are my fellow Nigerians? I don't want to die. They want to kill me. I need your help. Not when I will die tomorrow and I will see my posters everywhere. They will be tagging rest in peace. I don't know where to go from here. I don't know who to run to. I am very scared right now. They want to kill me because of a movie that I shot.
But I beg, me I never understand this kind of cry. At least write the name of this film. Make we know the film. Make we go watch it. If you really did watch the killing. Because people they do films, what they happen? Your Mifa even do film about this princess saga, princess daughter saga. They no kill her. It can't be you where be saying why even too blue. I can't be surprised. What do you do? I mean maybe you don't get clash with them, these people. Because this kind of beating on a watch her face. This one example one person go snatch person husband. Now that kind of beating I they give this lady. I'm not sure saying that because of saying you act film. And last, if the film too even serious, I you go do so that put the film down that by force. Either you drop out the film or you sell the film to another person. And in fact, listen at the talk. This lady, you call yourself celebrity, say you be known. Why you not carry them in this group, carry them go court? Carry these people go court, but we know so we want to do this and new cable. If that money have been waiting cause the whole wala. Because this big old group, me I hear saying an app. And I say that app, you go chat live with person. So if you chat with the person, if the person like your performance, is either the person give you gifts or the person pay you cash. So it just be like say, you know all this kind of live chat where we say I'm going to do sex it bless and so the thing be. If I say this auntie can go write bad things join on top of this because me I don't even know if it's right. Because for person to come the reason say he won't kill you, it means say you don't do something. Or let's say another person self won't kill you this and she said she don't go report for police. I bet what our Nigerian police going to do about this matter? Because person who don't go police station go report. I feel say she not even supposed they scared. You not supposed they cry. Suppose sit down for your house, relax. Because they go help you and in fact this one I just want to give you one simple advice. Be an security or be an army go find them. God carry bodyguard put your body. Make we say we no come here say they don't kill because the way they cry bless this one serious. Maybe before they say they won't play because you know all these actors and actors. They figure they do one kind of drama thing and come reason and say they want to use her so that people will go watch the film. I hope she no be one of your drama. But if not true, go find police where go they guide you, go find security. So that they go they guide you. Make no come hear story that touches the heart. Talk. I don't talk my own. My people I hear this one. I want to make her bring and come. Make na service na ear. Here we see they happen. Everything I just talk now. If na get anything to talk about them, make na write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video. Bolanle pepper them. In fact, they don't pepper Bolanle. Marriage don't go jam container. This video Vixie, well of us know Bolanle. She future inside Latin music. As it be, this lady we know say she don't marry now. She do her marriage. Just 6 months ago, as it be like this, Oga don't pack her load. Say, Alele, come up from my house. 6 months marriage, oh. This one and Nika, no be say they even do and say baby mama challenge. This one she get belly, they do traditional everything for her. Pay her bride price. I don't know what it costs wahala between the two of them. Now there two of them can decide to break up. Now in fact, not even the break up, they vex me. If you say drama on top of this breakup, Why be say no be this man be the first person to pursue his wife? This man decides say if he want turn this your breakup to celebrity breakup. He record everything live on top of Instagram. They show people say as increase. Now he show people say increase. He get another level. Now there is say bless say Zaltan. That music where he sing say Bolande get your boyfriend. He bless say he see the future before this will happen. My people beg make na follow me watch this disgrace.
I'm not capping when I said I'm done. But up like here. You want to go away with my car? I will show you a very good lesson. Me, you can never I swear. For this leg away with him, I'm both. Yeah, most of you guys, my share the show. My share the most of you. See like we most of most of ẹwà aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá ẹwà aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá ẹwà aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá sunwó ná lélẹ́yìí o sunwó ná gidi.
Una don see person future daddy. Person papa now be this one. This girl wey don't even get belle born, she get 2 months old pikin for her hand. Now yeah, this man still dey behave like Chris person. Ladies for advice, any man wey sabi complain, any man wey sabi rant, no even do the mistake of say e dey go near am. Because e be like say they get kolo. I even watch this video, I even think say na agbero dey talk. I no even know say na person husband. Now they misbehave like this. You dey vex on top of waiting. Wetin you even talk say person no dey even understand. Say maybe the girl go sleep around with person. At least why you no call the girl make na two end this relationship on a normal. Shebi some celebrity break up nobody hear wahala. Don't dedicate do your own. Your husband no post am na. Or be say your own ordinary small celebrity wey this girl just gain small. Make she just blow small. You won't come destroy this her whole this thing. You no even come pity. You no even pity the 2 months old baby wey this girl carry. You no pity yourself say they just do marriage 6 months old. In fact, this marriage thing, it be like say wahala dey inside. Now I make I no even like put mouth inside because they fit end them today now. Tomorrow now you go see 2 of them together. The man say even get wife for South Africa. Say she be second wife and she be baby mama. I beg you know all this kind of thing. Now you still chook like say you won't go marry this kind man. I beg you be like say this man to me the man no even dey okay. The man no way I sure say he smoke one kind igbo before he come outside come dey do this one. Because the way the man they behave, I can't wonder. So what did they happen? What did be all this kind of drama? You know, tell this man can't do another video. Can't begin they cry. Hey, drama king. Begin they cry. So we never even hear the part of your own story. We just start to the judge. They do this. My people beg, make them follow me see.
You will go Zlatan friend for Dubai. You dey lie for me. Why them Zlatan leave you? You when they don't forget you. They don't forget your apart. They don't forget your apart. Now when you connect with Lincoln, then sabi you again. Because I do normal. Me I be that more pale. Me will leave my wife for you. You think say I be fool. You always tell me they leave my wife. Me then they go. Man, when I get better wife. Now lockdown make us connect. Your wedding was cheap. Just wash out. Your wedding was cheap. I second wife now. And we both agreed. You agreed to be my second wife. Why are you now stressing my life? Are you kidding me? You be saying, baby mama, you dey whine me. I get family for South Africa. You dey whine me. No be una fault now. I can't believe everybody are blaming me without hearing my part. But this is so sad, honestly. This is so sad. This is so sad. But when you see how I be, you will always repost that rest in peace, God. I can't believe this. Why, Bola? What have I done? What have I done? You my own name. My own name.
Oh, now sure say this guy never go buy Jamaican Igbo. Maybe the one when they smoke this na Nigeria one can't go change in brand of Igbo. Now waiting on the affecting brain. I been done they take cocaine because when I watch this guy, I'm not sure say this guy dey okay at all. Person they normal, they talk like this. Today you go they cry, tomorrow you don't they make noise. You don't they do another thing. Now only you shout, now only you cry. Even the Bolanlesa, she never come as I talk say, now this thing she do. Now only you now they give explanation. Now you say they give yourself answer. I beg which kind of husband? Make it they shine eye. Before you marry, open your eye. Kodo be go even collect glass from person hand. Wear and check the man where. I been now before person go marry, you go do psychiatric test for your husband. Because the way things they go on, I know you understand. Person go marry mad person where there's corporate, go to say na better man you marry. See how this man disgrace this girl. On top of what he said, we never even know. All this time you cry, say we blame, I say the girl go sleep around. Don't be the first person who be saying your wife they cheat. And in fact, they really drag him like the way you don't drag him. Even if this girl dey wrong, people feel support you. But the way they bring out this thing, the way they behave, now make people they talk am. Now make I in fact that time where Zlatan sing this music say bye bye to your boy. He be like say he don't know say now you. He be like say he don't know say you be your boyfriend. Now make her sing this kind of thing. Now you don't do marriage finish. You can't talk say she be baby mama. I beg where the baby mama from come from. Why you not say you pay her dowry? You can't talk say you just do cheap marriage. I mean another girl, now they for another side, now they make you they misbehave like this because I don't even understand. Say you go share less, you go beat her, you go wound her. And I don't go surprised, say maybe violence don't dey inside this marriage. Maybe this man don't even beat this girl since. But she go dey quiet. If like say today now why the Igbo don't come explode for her head, now make her come go they react. I beg this kind of husband, I don't go even pray for anybody to marry him. Because this one a crazy man, na mental man. My people on herself don't watch this video. Wait till I get talk about this whole matter. This Bola nigga to me, I don't know what she should do, but she even look calm, small. She not even to the face the man. But the way the man come they react, come they make me the wonder say, on her sure say no, the man even get problem for this kind of thing. But people they what I beg, wait till on herself think about this whole idea. Anything when I feel, make na write am inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.